Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is August and this is Late August. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a previous watcher, welcome back. As always, I'm sending you love and light and I'm back with another reaction for you guys today. I know I've been gone for a couple days. I was out sick. As usual, the universe is trying to take me out. I had food poisoning, guys. It was not pretty. I was in bed for a couple days like I was gonna die. I was just hunched over, just not pretty. Not a pretty sight. But I'm back and I'm feeling okay enough to do some reactions and crank out some content. And I am back with a reaction to my boys, Ohmfluke. I've missed them. It's been a couple of days since I reacted to them, like a week I think, and I'm having withdrawals. The video we're watching today actually comes from Ohm's channel, Ohm Airway. It's a behind the scenes look at their photo book, their ocean photo book that they did. One I wish I had purchased. But as usual, I'm always out of the loop because I don't keep up with all the news and stuff because I'm a bad stan. I'm like never on my phone unless I'm watching dramas. I'm always asleep. So that's my own fault. But the title of the video is in Thai and I'm going to try my best to pronounce it. Try being the operative word, guys, but I've only been learning Thai for about a year and a half now. And my tones are not good. My pronunciation is not good, but I am trying my best and I will get there someday, hopefully before I go to Thailand, because I don't want to get there and embarrass myself because that'd be a disaster, because none of my friends speak Thai and we're all going together and they're gonna allow me to translate. I'm like, ooh, I don't know about all of that. But anyway, instead of rambling, the title of the video is, oh my gosh, it's บึงลังคันคำทะเลไปไทยทำ photo book. I try my best, guys. Don't judge me. Don't crucify me. But it's just, like I said, behind the scenes look at their photo book. I believe translations, going across the sea to shoot our photo book, I believe. But anyway, guys, instead of rambling, let's dive right into this reaction. I swear I am out of practice. I will see you on the other side of the opening sequence. Alright guys, I am back. I have my glasses on. I have the video up, ready to go. Let's dive into this reaction, shall we? Always with the weird accents. Why am I like this? Let's go. Ooh, that's loud. Ooh, okay, but the way they look come through. Oh, this is gonna take me out. The way Ohm looks so... Why would they do that to me? Pino seems like such a good manager to me because he's just so involved. Like, I remember how involved he was with their fan meet. He just seems awesome, and like the way he embraces Fluke, like, come through. Oh, my baby! No, you can't infantilize him, but he's so cute. I just love them. Those eyes, though. Like, the way his eyes are so deep and sultry and soulful. Take me out, why don't you, Fluke? Oh my gosh, that wink. his smile.
ไม่อยากสปอยต้องรอติดตามนะฮะ
Sorry, guys.
นี่ก็เป็นเช้าที่สองนะครับเมื่อคืนก็นอนหลับสบายครับได้ชาร์จแบตเต็มแล้วเดี๋ยวจะตัดมาฟุกไปแล้วตอนนี้ฟุกทานแล้วผมก็แต่งหน้าครับผมใกล้จะเสร็จแล้วตอนนี้กำลังไปหน้าเซตกันครับพร้อมกับราดหน้าทะเลครับผมกินราดหน้าทะเลกันนี่ได้มาจากเกาะสมุยนะราดหน้าทะเลเขาอร่อยนะเจ้าดังครับผมได้เจ้าเด็ดมาเพราะเขาเปิดเพลงเสียงดังไม่ใช่วันนี้เราก็กินข้าวนะครับข้าวกะเพราไข่ดาว
Oh, it sounds so good right now.
วันนี้นะครับก็กินข้าวเสร็จเรียบร้อยแล้วไปถ่ายกันแล้วเดี๋ยวเราไปดูครับว่าหน้าเซตจะเป็นยังไงนะฮะเราไปใส่ฟิลลิ่งในการมอร์นิ่งตอนเช้ากันดีกว่าไปครับ
Looks so good, as per usual. Period, though. I'm so tired. This is not right. Like, there is no excuse for him to look that good.
เรากำลังจะไปอาบน้ำแปรงฟันกันต่อพร้อมแล้วเตรียมตัวแล้วพร้อมแล้วปะเสร็จแล้วครับกับเซตตื่นนอนแล้วก็ลงสระพอเราตื่นนอนมาเราอาบน้ำแปรงฟันแล้วเราก็ลงสระเรียบร้อยเดี๋ยวเราจะไปกันต่อเปลี่ยนชุดเรียบร้อยไปดูว่า
I'm not making faces at them, at what's happening on screen, I'm sorry. So I'm still not feeling too great, guys, so I get bouts of nausea still. Again, them being so corny. It's like never ending, like, dad humor with those two. And those matching striped shirts come through. I swear though, if it wasn't for Ohmfluke, my understanding of Thai would not be where it is now. Because I can understand a lot of Thai, especially when it's them speaking. I think because I watched and told me to get in so many times. Oi. The beach sounds so nice. Looks so gorgeous. Almost like a big dork. Oh, they look so good right there. Come through abs. I cannot relate because mine are gone. want to go to a resort. Freaking coronavirus is running everything. Like, I really hope that I don't have to push my trip back any further. I've already pushed it back a year. I just love them. Ooh, to be continued. Okay. Please stop. Stop, thank you. I just love them so much, guys. They just bring me such immense joy. Like, they're my favorite ship. I know I keep saying that, but it's so true. Like, I don't know what it is, but they just bring me so much joy. And I'm not like a person who's like a super stan of anybody. Like, I'm a casual fan of pretty much everything I like. I'm not a person who goes out and buys all the merch and all of this and all of that and have to watch everything. But with them, it's different. It just hits different. They're just so... I'm trying to stop saying cute and stuff when I'm describing them because they're grown men. I don't want to infantilize them, but their relationship, that's what's cute. Their interactions, that's what's cute. I just love them. I love how awkward they are. I love the corny jokes that Ohm tells. I love how Fluke just laughs along. They're like the perfect couple. However you want to take that, whether it be platonic or more. They're a good pairing. Let's put it that way. Anyway, guys, that was my reaction to a behind-the-scenes look at Ohmfluke's photo book. It was good. They had chests out. They looked so good together. Obviously, I've seen some of the photos. They turned out amazing. Anyway, guys, before I go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I still see you not subscribing to my channel. What's the deal? Like, subscribe. It's just a button. And just press it. Also, before I go, guys, make sure that you follow me on my socials. I will link them down below in the description. Also, as per usual, leave me any requests you have down below in the comments. I said this in my last video. Well, video I reacted to today besides this one. Hopefully, I'll have 2 new dramas started on my channel. It's a big hopefully because with copyright and editing and the world out to get me, I'm hoping to have a reaction to both I Told Something About You and Nitan Pandao, A Tale of a Thousand Stars. Hopefully. But I know with GMMTV, they do not like me, and I don't know how to get I don't know how to put in requests to get permission to post the videos. I'm going to try to edit it to the point where I can post it, which may make the reaction screen very see-through. Might have to lower the audio. But I don't want to have to post anything on my Patreon just yet. But if I have to and I can't post them on YouTube, they will be on my Patreon. Hopefully. Hopefully is an operative word, guys. But with how the universe is out to get me, I just never know. I'm always keeping my fingers crossed. That's all I can say. Anyway, guys, until my next video, have a great day. Stay safe. Bye-bye.